Alkaline show in Miami is not selling. The tickets have not moved in the last month. Nobody now buying a ticket.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Me not out here look per man in our boxers. You are detail what the man a do, how long him a do it. Brother, something wrong with you.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
The cartel dick out of your mouth. The only person would have cartel dick in his mouth that come close to cartel.
A few moments later.
But me not there that close to cartel for dick in my mouth.
Batty boy! You suck your mother! You remove your pussy hole and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them?
People who are going, they don't know one Media Fox. Yeah, man. So people, you remember when Alkaline had the Barclays send down here the crash out one? Yeah, man, this is part for you. You don't know next week Alkaline new rules in Miami. So you don't know crash out start going. The Gaza man them a crash out. You understand? But them have a bag of thing for say. As me say, promotional purposes. You don't know Media Fox got to work already. Yeah, man, cause we love to see when them crash out, you know. Cause right, you see what go on in the media with them artists. You understand? Them a try distract the people them from that. That's why them a there talk about Alkaline show and one bag of thing. You understand? Cause them artists shame them. Yeah, man, big disgrace. You see me? But no further notice. Here we go on.
Do you take a look at Ticketmaster? Alkaline show in Miami is not selling. The tickets have not moved in the last month. Nobody now buying a ticket.
First day.
So wait then now, people. Because they don't know the Media Fox have them file for them, you know. People, remember when Vice Cartel do him third Barclays show? Since them I say ticket. Yeah, man, last year, man, the day before the show, man, big ticket drop, 70, what? I think 75%. It ticket drop from $1,000 to $250. You understand? But look here now, see a piece of clip here. We are going to show you know. So if you look, you see August. This video, you know, YouTube, August the 25. You understand? Alright, look, the show was last year now, August. So you know, don't know say in a 2025. So this video, the live upload August the 25th. So you know, say 4 days to the show because the show was August. I think it was Labor Day. The show was August the 29th. See there? I'm gonna show you what I go on. If you look up at the top up there, so yeah, man, see there? August the 29th, 2005. Wait, say 8 p.m. or something like so. Wait, 8 p.m. You understand? Barclays Center. So listen, I want to listen to this, you know. Cause you see like how them love watch Alkaline ticket. And this was 4 days before him show. Cause them go on like say Alkaline alone. When the chart look like this, when the map look like this, I go on like say, remember say last year Cartel show cancel. The Houston show. So them a bag of thing where they matter about. Brother, I see same thing with an artist. I just never did I pull it up. I'm not gonna hear why them never did I pull up Cartel ticket. Them. I wanna hear these people.
Gone. Remember that perfectly. This whole section right there. So there's no way this is a representation of what the show looks like right now.
So this is a Gaza vlogger. So listen.
Less than what? 4 days left? 5 days if you don't want to be technical. There's no way. There is no way that it looks like this. So we can't go off a Ticketmaster and tell you exactly how many tickets are there. I'm going to be honest with you. Exactly how many tickets are there. I'm going to be honest with you. And that's why I kind of ease off of the ticket counting over there. Because I don't want to give you the wrong information. You see me? You notice from what I mean, I really do not check in on a ticket and not like that.
So people, that's how I tell you say them are hypocrite. Ticketmaster, you know, when them pull up Alkaline ticket, you know, when Ticketmaster show Alkaline ticket, yeah man, it correct. Yeah man, it good. But when Cartel ticket pull up, when it look like say the ticket them nah sell, you hear what them say? Something wrong with the site. Something wrong one go on. Them no want to say the ticket now go fast, you know. This a 4 day before the show in a Barclays Center last year, you know. August, the 29th. And this live, when pull up him same artist show, was on the 25th of August. So him did a ball, I say, yo, him no want to pull up it. Him no want to count the ticket them because the ticket them wasn't going fast. Because if the ticket them was going fast, them wouldn't drop the ticket the day before from $1,000 to $250. You understand? But listen.
Because I realize the site now show the correct thing.
People want to listen, you know. No know me that fast go to work and me have the files them. The man say this site now give the So yeah, when they pull up Alkaline ticket every day, oh the site I get the right thing. But when cartel show them get pull up, Una say the site them wrong, something wrong with the site. Yeah man, no never knows that we have them clip here. Yeah man.
You know what I mean? Me not have going on, but me just it you know you know take common sense if you know that say. And the right representation of what one.
So wait there, people. Cartel now want show in a Cayman man a wagwan. Me not hear them talk about it. But if you hear them talk about Alkaline show, I wagwan, I watch through this in an arena. I don't know just Badmine through Alkaline have the arena them. I don't know artists now have it. I wagwan. Yeah man, tell people them go buy some ticket over Cayman man. $150 store there over there. Yeah man. Now worry about Alkaline show. Worry about an artist show. You see me? See there? We just pull up once last year. That's 4 days before we show and look on it. You understand?
Only nobody know say Miami have shows done there where Massive B and Jabba them keep. Every bumbo clad summertime. The things that people are gonna drop Massive B show. Where they a year to year. Figure Alkaline show. And now Alkaline now sell no ticket.
Well, I say go I see him thing with cartel with no fine shows them. He never did that sell. You understand? The same goddamn thing. But it's so funny. For sure you say Alkaline so relevant than for an artist. Because una try hide from the media because an artist make una look like idiot. You understand? Internet meme thing we are going. So una try to know. Una try to talk about Alkaline ticket them you know. Cause I want people to deflect from where cartel do recently. You understand? But you can't rub out that. You see it?
Right now, me no say CJ Milan no say she make a wrong move. We don't be hear her name, I call. One time, she did a their own cartel. She come out and she put up her chest. And me are the best promoter. Me are the best promoter. I did that. She can't do that with Alkaline.
Yo, people. Me know say Miami I go sell out. Yeah, man. Miami I go sell out, brother. And so when they sell out, them I go crash out. Me tell you, say a Bellevue, them I go. But want to realize, people, them people are Badmine. You notice when Cartel I work with CJ Milan now, nobody now come out and I talk about this and that, you know. Seeing? But when Alkaline and CJ Milan I work, remember, you know, Cartel do a lot of work with CJ Milan. But for sure, you say a Badmine because Alkaline and CJ Milan I work together. And them a make them money. Because them feel like, say, them and them artists alone to make money. You understand? I know, so it work. You see it? So them a crash out, you know.
Because what you do around Alkaline is failing. One of the things, somebody can come blood clot, push out free ticket. Last minute and full up show and come talk about show full. You think that's some blood clot show run? And that's what I have to do. Una gonna have to pick some people out the road and give them free ticket. This is an embarrassment.
One Kevin, remember say Vice Cartel Freedom Street give out thousands of tickets free now. First show from prison. Remember that. Remember say artists them get 100 tickets each. Plus how much ticket did I give away free? If you try full up the stadium and it's still never full. Remember that. The amount of ticket. Remember say scatter forward also when they do Sunfest show, you know. A 40 ticket the artists them get. To feed them entourage. But when a Vice Cartel show, when them just forward 100 them get, so it double plus half. You understand? So we not sure about no ticket. No ticket now give you a new rules, brother. You have to go buy that. You understand? Yeah, man.
The artist a fail. Him fail himself. And him a fail him fans them. Wagwan, vendettas. Why you don't go blood club buy ticket? TJ, CJ Milan need help. What do you mean when I mean she need help? She need help. She just cancel her show.
And you see, because them can't read, me tell you, you know, them can't read. The show no cancel people. You see me, big up CJ Milan. You see, the show no cancel, the show postpone. She just go find her next date. You understand? She say some situation or whatsoever. Or just one of them thing there. You see me? Yeah, man. But you see, through CJ Milan, I work and she maybe not do no business at this moment with Vice Cartel. Them inner them feelings. Cause them feel like say Vice Cartel own CJ Milan. And that's how it works. CJ Milan a businesswoman. CJ Milan I work with enough artists way when Cartel they are prison. I just show Cartel for the with the hype and everything now. You see me? But we don't know say we have a Badmine syndrome.
Get the show with Mavado and Spice and Beanie Man and two of them at around. In Atlanta, man. TOK the pan too. Yeah, that's show there. She need a strength, brother. Tell her I call you. Alright. CJ Milan, you need to call TJ because you need help. Ticket now sell. I want a bomb buckle at me here. So the show where CJ Milan, you put your hand where your hand can't reach it. The show what you have, now sell no ticket.
Yo, you know what funniest thing? You know what funniest thing, people? For sure, you say, Cartel I send them money a lion, you know. And if you see them money forward out every day, at this up CJ Milan, knowing say Cartel and this woman, yeah. You see me? So sometimes you wonder if like Cartel really rate CJ, cause if he must send them money a lion, and me know he must see her and he must this some of them money at this up CJ Milan, so you tell her, brother, you see me? But I just one of them thing there. You see, people when I make no money, you see me, brain shallow, sit down in a car, or one of them thing there. But you don't know a promotional purpose is same way. And the Miami show, I go sell out. I tell you that. You see me? So just look out. Cause we will get more crash out. You see me? Oh, you a fool, I say.
See, the Atlanta show now sell no ticket. So CJ Milan I try to put a reggae show in a Memorial Day weekend. Knowing say in Atlanta of soca. Alright, so in Atlanta them have something like Eastern Parkway within that time. You understand? You see I call them have Eastern Parkway and them have basically them have soca and that them have over there so Memorial Day weekend. You understand? So me don't know why CJ Milan go book so much reggae artists for that night here. One time she know say a soca them a go with over there so. You put your hat where your hand can't reach it. Like honestly, go and check CJ Milan. Who
A big bitch sit down in a car, you know. Yeah, man.
headline that show there? Mavado. At the headline for sure. Yeah, Mavado could have pulled it off. See? But you are going now. It's a soca weekend. That's Saturday. Remember say, alright, you say you cancel the show because a family emergency. But yet, Alkaline show, which is the 22nd, is still on the go. You only can't sleep because the two show them give you a problem. Right now, Alkaline show week, and that show the week. So
Yo, dog, me I tell you, say, yo, Alkaline are mad out them guys, man, you know, dog. Me I tell you, you know, the youth success alone, dog. So me I tell you, say, yo, just because Cartel now do an arena show and him now work with CJ at the moment, make them money a crash out, dog. Me I tell you, brother, you can't stop greatness, youth. I tell you already, Alkaline don't turn say, yo, you not see nothing yet. So man, not going up a Bellevue, dog, you go mad out. Like that, me I tell you, money have to make. You see me? Yeah, man, and a Cartel alone as artist, I go make money in the music business. You see it? Yeah, man. So you can go and cash out. People just go get a ticket. Yeah, man. You don't know somebody who compete now if you carry my Bellevue car. I tell you, they don't even care about the artists. Artists in the media go on with a bag of thing. Nothing now go on. Have shows to do. They not even promote it. Them don't even care about it. Them care about Alkaline more than them artists. Because then they really care about the artists. They more than not talk about everything what them artists are doing, shows and all of them. Like, them not business. I guess the prison hype kind of dwindle down here now, so I'm going to find different alternative right now. Is it car? Show a forward up for them in a Cayman and nothing. You know, you them a talk about it, nothing. It's show you, brother. You see me? But that's one of them thing there.
They just directing all the traffic now to the Alkaline show because you're in a trouble. Check Ticketmaster. Ticketmaster will show you say, even Alkaline show ticket them now sell. That good. So CJ Milan right now, you try to go around cartel them. And now you end up with a slap in your face.
Say, you see the Badmine thing now, people. Him say, CJ Milan a try go around cartel. So basically, maybe through CJ Milan a partner up with Alkaline to keep new rules. Them in them feeling because CJ not partner up with them. So you see, I be a Badmine syndrome there, so. You understand? So, through the woman now work with cartel, the woman for feel if she not work with cartel. Only when she work with cartel, she will win. You see, I don't know. Trust me, man. I tell you now. For days coming, you see me, car. I be a cash out of a guan. I tell you already. Be a cash out. And look, you know, is a shame money, you know. Yeah, man, I'm going to put in a shameful box, man. I tell you, you see what going with you? Look out for more, because I don't even know where I'm going. You see it?
You end up slap yourself because you try to go cheap. Sometimes it pay to do the right thing. Let me tell you something. Not talk about the artist, you know, but in our life, when you buy cheap things, the cheap things end up match up fast. When you buy expensive things, it lasts longer. So sometimes it pay to just pay the price. And you know what I say? Because either way you take it, you can't have a Mavado, you can't have a Spice, you can't have any one of them artists there if you book a Vibes Cartel. Really?
So you see what I try to say, people? So basically what I say, as I tell you, say, yo, them youth here, are some big Badmine syndrome thing in a dancehall. Them, if I them alone, the culture dead. So what I want at me now, I want tell CJ Milan to book Vibes Cartel. So Vibes Cartel can link Spice and say, Spice, come in, come give me a strength. And them no get no pay. See? Him no want Cartel alone to get pay, no. But him no want the that's why I talk about, yo, any of CJ Milan the book Cartel, she wouldn't get Spice and Movado free. You see what I try to tell people? So him no want CJ Milan fi book Spice and Movado fi do the show, you know, and pay them, you know. No. Him want them fi do the show free and Cartel us link them and say forward and do the show. Yeah, man. Hypocrite.
CJ Milan, you know, see how much artists come to Barclays Center to perform regular, for free, for free. Look how much people come there to perform for free. Just because Cartel in there. And then...
So, you want CJ Milan to book Cartel. So, through the other rest of artists, them say, alright, forward and can show them respect. So you want, you feel like, say, every artist, every time CJ Milan do a show with Cartel, every artist I want always go up there on stage for free. You feel that? I be a freeness on a deal and not talk about free ticket. Eh? You don't want to get up every day and use the artist them. So the artist them not get no pay. So you don't want CJ Milan book the artist them and pay them. You want CJ Milan book Cartel and Cartel alone for get money. And the other rest of artists them do show free. You see phone mindset? When I hypocrite dog. Remember me tell you, yo, if I wanna dancehall mash up, you see me? None of them artists I wouldn't eat no food off a show bookings because of Uno. Cause you are gonna say if they book Cartel, no for artists them would have forward free, like say if them now family for feed and them look at thing there.
That's why I feel on the stage. Go and think. Are you really using your brains? Or this time you are using what between your leg?
Yo, I tell you, brother. Yo, the man this up CJ Milan wicked, you know. And Fissy say, Cartel they are a send lion and a bag of thing. But full thing still. You see me at the end of the day, when I go mad out, you know, not see nothing yet. You understand? Winnings are bad on the stress with that, me I tell you, yeah? Yeah, man. But people, big up on yourself, you know. You don't know one media fax money up, you know. Yeah, man. See it there? That a Cartel show last year, Barclays Center. 4 days away from the show. You saw your ticket look? Deep Blue Sea. Them not talk about Cartel show them. Alkaline show them talk about, cause if they show them that pull up under them time, then we know that see with cartel thing or that, me I tell you no. But you don't know anything, go I want media for Spaniard, big up on yourself, you see me? That is it.